What is up mga kaitlog? And this is me, I'm back, RJ Shin. So, hindi na My DeFi Pet Adventures yung pangalan ng channel natin, just so you know, no? Kasi syempre, wala na tayong nagagawang content about that. So, meron na naman sumisikat na Hamster Combat. So, late na akong pumasok dito, but still, I'll give you tips on the daily chipper. So, as you can see, meron tayong bagong user interface dito sa ating in-app or Telegram in-app game na Hamster Combat. So, sa taas, may kita nyo yung tatlong categories: daily rewards, daily cypher, tapos yung daily combos. So, done na ako sa daily reward. Wala namang wala namang challenge yan. Itong daily cypher. So, actually, no, lately ko lang din to nalaman na may Morse code pala dito sa Hamster Combat. So, and honestly, no, hindi naman ako masyado nagre-research about this kasi wala na nga akong time para gumawa ng content as well as to do research. So, let's start with the daily cypher, kung ano yung ating word for this day. So, letter P, and then letter U, so ilalagay na lang natin sa taas yung ating Morse code, and next is letter M, and next natin dyan is letter P ulit. So the word is pump. So enjoy your 1M coin. And regarding the earnings and the distribution about Hamster Combat, tignan ko kung magkakaroon ako ng time to do some research. Some say na dapat mag-ipon ng coins. Some say that it will be based on PPH. So let's check yung kanilang description on how they will distribute yung token nila sa release sa July. So if you want more of this kind of content as well as on how to help you earn money, please subscribe to our channel, RJ Shin. So hindi na siya My DeFi Pet Adventures. So yun lang. Peace.